Just grab it on both ends. Grab it on both ends and just wiggle it out. So now that we have the tail light out, press on this tab. Press down on the one tab, and all the lights come out. We could see when the light is on, which light is out. And also you can examine each light closely to see which one is burnt out. In my case, none of them are burnt out. We don't have anything burnt going on. For installation, without hitting any of the lights, place them back into the hole. Line up the clip that we just pressed down, push in, bulbs are reinstalled. Paying attention to the gaps and the holes, want to reinsert it and take a look from this side to make sure. Reconnect the wiring harness. A nice click, and pay attention to where the bolts are placed relative to the holes. We want them right about in the middle. Now for adjustment on the other side, we can see that the other two bolts control the height. So this is a good height at which to secure it. And holding it flat against the top, the bolts are pretty much in the middle. We will secure them. I'm securing the middle one first. Tight enough by hand to hold it in place. We'll observe that the gap is nice and consistent all around the tail light. And there's a nice even gap along the bottom as well. It's really easy to position them and make them ugly. A less than ideal fit. Starting on the farthest bolt, tighten it into position. That's the hardest part. Do not over tighten. Similarly, start on the right, double checking the position of the tail light. It's good, gentle, no over tightening. Perfect, no need to over tighten. The right hand side is the same process, using 8mm. Adjust the outside most bolts first and tighten a little bit. Next the top and the bottom. Now as for the trim, we get our trim out and we have those 3 clips. Let's remove this trim clip. This goes over the bolt hole. The black circle goes over this bolt. Plastic installation piece over the bolt here. And that's our rear camera, reverse camera wire. Same for the right trim piece. Teeth go under this trim. With that, our taillights are completely installed. Check out the rear camera video.